unavailable.
I don't want to sit there. He's not vaccinated. You're intentionally putting my life in danger.
Ma'am, we are not putting your life in danger.
I'm not gonna sit there.
Ma'am, can you take a seat, please?
No, I'm not sitting there. How many times do I have to say this?
Ma'am, I know how challenging air travel is these days, but there will be no discrimination on my aircraft.
Well, it's not discrimination.
Vaccinated or unvaccinated, we should respect each other.
Yes.
And as it seems, you have trouble doing that, please
Me?
exit the aircraft.
Are you kidding me?
I apologize for the delay. We'll do our best to get you into London, England on schedule. Hopefully making up some of that lost time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Captain, question.